In this video, you are going to see how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Google Sheet. Here I have a data set and the data starts from the row number 3. If I freeze the data, only the top row will be frozen, but I want to freeze my data until the row number 3. So what is the way actually? Now if I go to view, go to freeze, if I click on row, then only on row will get frozen, but I want to get frozen until the row number 3. So let us go to view, go to freeze and make it no rows. Now let us click on the cell where I have the data. I want to get frozen until the row number 3. So let us click on over here in the row number 3. Then go to view, go to freeze and let us click on up to row 3. Then you will see the data got frozen until the row number 3. Now if I want to freeze the data of the column until the column number B. So let us click on over here. Then go to view, go to freeze and let us click on up to column B. Then you will see until the column number B the data is frozen. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.